Hello, I am Thinev. I am 9 years old. Welcome to Birds of Sri Lanka with Thinev. Today we'll be talking about the gull-billed tern. The gull-billed tern is a medium-sized tern with thick black bill. It is found in marshier habitats than most other terns, usually near the coast but not on the ocean. I got a fun fact about terns. Did you know that terns change their color from breeding to non-breeding season? Very pale overall with black cap in breeding plumage. Legs black, non-breeding plumage shows dark cheek patch. Feeds on sea snails, slugs and crabs in mud and marshes. Often patrols the edges of ponds but does not grab fish from the water like other terns. It's rarely seen in flocks with other terns, often single or in pairs. I have seen a gull-billed tern in Yala National Park. Thank you for watching Birds of Sri Lanka with Thinev. Stay tuned for more videos soon.